Hi guys, welcome to another in the series. If you are new to my channel, my name is Enoch Bennett. I do maths, chemistry, biophysics, everything social studies, geography, history, religious education, food and nutrition, technical drawing. So check out my other videos, all right? And if you want to be a part of a class, if you're doing PEP, SEA, City and Guilds, CSEC maths, link me up same way, all right? If you're in high school, say in grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, link me up same way. All right, so we're gonna look at this paper, and it says that Ministry of Education Region information, the primary exit profile, which is this is for grade 5 specifically. All right, so let's get right into it, guys. Remember, you are encouraged to try the questions before I do the solution. All right, so basically you can assess yourself and see where you are and where you should be. Let's go. All right, so this is the general instruction, and it says this task has 3 parts: part 1, part 2, and part 3. Part 1 has 2 questions, part 2 has 2 questions, and part 3 has 1 question. You are to answer all 5 questions, and the time allotted is 1.5 hours. So basically, you have 90 minutes to complete this. I'm gonna use black. Definitely gonna use black. All right, so let's get right into it, guys. So we're gonna move to question 1, but you know, black is powerful. If you're not a subscriber, please ensure that you subscribe now. All right, see my number there. It's 876-549-2161. All right, let's get right into it. It says your class is planning a class party. You are to assist the teacher with purchasing food and drinks for the party. After completing a survey of your classmates, you discover that most students in your class prefer to have pizza and juice. You are preparing for all 42 students in your class. Each student should be served at least 1 slice of pizza and 1 cup filled with juice. I don't know why they give you guys these things to do, but I don't see the reasoning behind it, but let's get into it. All right, so it says your task is to determine 1, the number of pizza needed, 2, the amount of juice needed, and 3, the total cost of the pizza and the juice. So basically, guys, according to what they're saying, you're gonna create a little party with 42 students. It's I think we're gonna go back and forth because a lot of information. I don't know why they overload you guys with so much information. um I think it's because I want to get out the reasoning aspect of it, but I mean, come on, I don't think kids are gonna be keeping any party anyway. It is what it is. All right, so the number of pizza needed. Amazing Pizza sells pizza of 4 different sizes: small, medium, large, and extra large. The table below shows the total number of slices per pizza and the fraction of the class 1 pizza served. Complete the table to show the fraction of the class each pizza serves. All right, so basically what they're saying that for small, it consists of 6 slices. Medium has 8 slices, large have 10 slices, and extra large consists of 12 slices. So they kind of went ahead and did this one for you, and they said that for the 6, it's going to be 1/7. Now, how did they get that 1/7? Go ahead, type that in the comment section. If you're just joining, please ensure that you like the video. All right, so let's go. So since the total is 42, maybe I should just put it up in this chart right here. So that's the denominator, and because it's 6, put 6/42. You break that down, it becomes 6 into itself 1 time, 6 into 42 goes 7 times. So we're gonna do the same pattern. It's gonna be 8/42, and then we decrease it or break it down. So we can divide by 2. So that's 4 over 21. So for this one, it's 4 out of 21. All right, let's move on to 10. I'm just gonna work it out here. 10 over 42. Again, we can use 5. We divide both of them by 5. So that by 2 rather. So that's 5 over 21. And for this one, it's 12. Oh, I guess you guys get the picture. All right. This one can be broken down because 6 can go into both of them. 6 into this goes 2 times. So this is 2 over 7. And it makes sense, right? Because if 6 work out to 1 over 7, it makes sense that 12 work out to 2 over 7. All right, so that will be one question. What I don't like, they don't put the marks there. So I don't know how many marks you would have allocated from this. But this would represent the fraction of the class pizza serves. All right, so let's get into it now. Question 2, they did say it was 5 questions. So let us go. Again, guys, remember you're encouraged to try. It said for each pizza size, determine the number of pizza needed to serve all the students in the class. Each student will receive 1 slice of pizza. Indicate on a circle in each row. So listen again, it says, so each pizza size, determine the number of pizza needed to serve all the students in the class. So for small, how many pizza is needed if you're gonna buy small only? All right, so we can actually use the fraction to get that. All right, so that's 1 over 7. So it would be 1 over 7 multiplied by 42, and that will give you how many pizza are needed. So this is the 1. So 6 pizza, right? And it makes sense because 6 pizza each has how many slices? Was it 7? No, it says number of slices are 6. Can't use a fraction because for each pizza it's gonna be have 6 slices. So basically can divide. So it's 42. Each pizza, the small one consists of 6. So that would be 7 slices. 7 pizza to give you 42. So for small, it would be 7. All right, for the medium, it consists of 8 slices. So 42 divided by 8. So I'm gonna go with 6. So I'm gonna left over, 6 is 48, but yeah. For the large one, because remember, 42 students you're working with 10. So 10, that's our 3. That's gonna go with 4. No, 5. Have to be 5 because 2 persons need to get. All right. And for the last one, I'll go with 3, 4. All right. So that would be the answer. I don't think that was a meant to, for calculation. I see my number there. So if you want the kids or whatever to join my class. All right. Hold on. I need to take the phone call. Let's see how this. All right, guys. So let's look at part 2, and it says amount of juice needed. All right. It's a parent donated 50 cups of juice for the juice. Each cup can hold 500 milliliter of juice. All right. So note that is 50 cups, 500 milliliter. What is the least amount of juice needed if each student will receive 1 cup filled with juice? All right. So basically, you have 42 students, right? So that's 42 students. Each cup hold 500 milliliters. So let us assume that each person is going to let's just assume that each person is going to get the same amount, which is the maximum, which is 500 milliliter. All right. So we're going to multiply 42 because it's 42 students by 500. All right. All right. So let us multiply. So we could do 100. So that's about 4,200. So 4,200. So yeah, that work out to 21,000. So we're gonna need 21,000 milliliter. All right. Let's move further now. Say show your working in the space below. All right. So it's a based on your answer to question 3, how many 2-liter bottles of juice should be purchased for one party? All right. So we're gonna need 21,000 milliliter. And it says now, how many 2-liter? So we're gonna convert the 2 liters to milliliter. We're gonna convert the 2-liter, which is 2,000, right? So one bottle holds 2 liters, which is 2,000 milliliter. So we just simple divide this by 2,000. And that is gonna tell us how many bottles it needs. I don't know why they're giving the students them here and it can't work out perfectly. So that's that 10 and a half. So you can buy 10 and a half. So I'm gonna break it down to 11. So it's 11 bottles. It's a lot of work, but you guys have to do it because you want to get into the school of your choice. So it's gonna be 11 bottles. As they sell half bottles of something. I don't know why they don't give you guys figures that make sense though. I don't think that's bringing out the critical thinking part of it. All right, so it says part 3, the total cost of the pizza and the juice. It says read the information below, then answer question 5. You are given a budget of 9,500 to buy the pizza and the juice from Amazing Pizza. Use Amazing Pizza price list below and answer your question. Well, hold on. It says use Amazing Pizza price list shown below and your answer to question 4 to determine the total cost of pizza and the juice needed for the party. Okay, all right, that makes sense. So we had got 11 bottles of 11 bottles it need. So let us write down that information. So it's 11 bottles of juice. All right, let us see what I was saying. It's a small pizza, which 6 slices costs 1,100. Large pizza, 10 slices, 1,800. All right, so first we have 9,500. That's the budget. You can't pass that, right? So we need 42 slices of pizza. So it's 42 slices of pizza we need. And we need 11 bottles. All right. We'll try to work out the juice first. How to work out the juice cost first? So it says free 2-liter juice with purchase of any 3 pizza. So if you buy 3 pizza, you get a free juice. All right. So me just start off with 10 slice. I buy 3 10 slice. Let me see. That's a 40 slice. No, that's a 30 slices. So let me try it and see. Yo, what if I work this and give it them in a money? What not do? So I'm gonna see the cost for 3 of these. 300, 3 8 24. 3 ones. No, 300, 300, 3 is 24. 3 1 3. So that's 5,400. So if I buy this, so it cost 5,000. And that are 30 slices. So I still need another 12 slices. So what if I bought 2 of this? So that will be 2,200. So let's just see how much money we have. How much money it's gonna cost? 0.6. So I spend 7,600. I get all on pizza with 7,600 plus I get 3 bottles. I get one 2 liter. So see if I can get 10 out of this. 10 out of the money we left. So it'll be 9,500 minus the cost for this, which is 7.6. And I seem to have a problem right away. 0, 0, 6 from that account. I have a problem. 6 from this. 9. So I actually have 1,900 left. So this wouldn't that be the best buy? This would not work. Woo! All right. So what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna go with the extra large. I'm gonna buy 3 of the extra large. Let's see how that work out. Guys, more this question to be authentic. I want it to be real. I don't want to pre-do nothing. I'll work it out. All right. So just stay to the end. Hit the like button if you're just joining. All right. So we need 42 slices. So this may only have enough to get the 10 liter. So the juice that move. Somebody that short of juice. We only have 10 bottles of juice. All right. Let me see though. Boom. I go buy 3 of this. So that'll be 2,000 times 3. So me spend 6,000. All right. So I have 36 slices of pizza. Still need one more. I still need for 6 pizza. So I'm gonna buy this. So 6,000 plus the 1,100. So that'll be 7,100. All right. Let us see. So my pizza accounted for, right? Which is the 36 plus the 6, that give me 42 slices. However, let's see if we have enough money to buy the juice. Remember, because I bought 3 of the pizza, I get 1 bottle free. So I have 1 bottle. So I only need 10 more bottles of juice. So that means we're gonna see if we have $2,000 to buy the 10. So let's go. So it would be 9,500 minus 71. So this is 0. So 0. This is 4. So guess what? We have $2,400 left. So yes, this is what I would have done. I would have bought 3 of the big pizza. Makes sense. 1 of this, and then I could buy 10. Could buy 10, 11, 12. I could buy 12 bottles of juice. All right. So that is it. It says now each student should get at least 1 slice of pizza. Yeah, exactly 42 slices. how many purchase of pizza of different size? Yeah. So I would have bought 3 of the big, extra big, and 1 of the small. 1 small. Cause yeah, that would definitely work out for me. I guess there are other ways where you can do it, but that's one work for me. All right. It says now, what is the total cost of the pizza and juice you should purchase that will allow you to stay within the budget? Show your answer in the all right. So guess what? They want you to show the working. I think I done it up there. So it's 3 times 2,000. That's for the pizza. So that's 6,000. 1 by 1,100. I think I've shown the working out up there. So but because they asked for it down here. All right. So I will buy 10 juice at 200 each. Plus me get a free one. So that's 2,000. So this looks now. Something all right. When I had it up there, so it wasn't this. Oh, 9,100. Yeah. So that spent a total of 9,100. And my budget was what? 95. So that's still have $400. Plus, I get a free juice. So I think I did well with spending the people their money. I think I did well. All right, let's go on. Oh, it seems like this is the end. All right, guys. So guys, you see how challenging it is for these young kids. Allow them to join my class, allow them to be a part of my class. All right. So basically, see it. Critical thinking question. It is not easy. Parents, you have to involve the students in planning. Teachers also, let them, if you're doing class party, allow them to be a part of the process. If you're keeping any trip, allow them to be a part of it. Parents, you have to allow the students to do the grocery, let them see grocery, because these are realistic adult type questions. They are kids, but they are expected to know adult stuff. All right, like to create a budget and all of these. I will be working more of these. I'm excited to do them for you guys. So guys, please ensure that you are subscribed. Please ensure say you like the video. All right, this is the next minute. I'm out, no doubt. And for those who need to be a part of my class, you need to do so now. All right, guys, you have to hurry. So this is it. This is the next minute. I'm out, no doubt. See you guys in another video.